Today we're going to be wrapping my Voltex Type 1 wing with my Integra Citrus Yellow. So I know some of you guys think that my car is a Type R. It's actually an LS, and it's not a Phoenix Yellow wrap or paint. It's actually from Integra. This is called Citrus Yellow, and it's a little bit brighter than the Phoenix Yellow. It just doesn't look like it right now because of the lighting here. But this is my Voltex Type 1 wing, and it is carbon fiber. I know some of you guys love carbon fiber, but I personally don't care for the carbon fiber look, so we're gonna be wrapping this thing to match my car. Kind of like how I painted the wing on my Cayman. So I have a Voltex wing on my Cayman as well, and I color matched it, and it looks really good. So we're gonna be layering this top side with one piece, flip it over, and then do another piece on the bottom, and then we're gonna knifeless the corners right here because it's kind of hard to flip this thing over. Not flip it over, but I'm talking about like the wrap and goes all the way around with one piece. So we're just gonna two-piece it, makes life a lot easier. I've never wrapped anything this big, so wish me luck. Knifeless tape you can get from Amazon, but here's how it works. Basically, you lay it down like this, make sure you have a good straight line like I do right here, all right? Best way to check if it's straight is just look at it at an angle like this and then see if it's, perfectly straight. And then you wrap it over, you peel this corner and then you just rip it, and then you'll have a nice clean line. You'll see that in a minute here, but I don't want to use a blade to make my freaking cuts. So this is the safest way to do it, especially if your car's painted already. I am no professional wrap artist. So if this looks tragic, it probably is. Oh man. I wonder if they make heat guns with triggers, so you don't have to keep clicking it on and off. All right, so here's the knifeless tape. We're just gonna pop this guy. Just gonna press down right here and pull, and then pull all the way through. So here's the top layer that we just cut. Just gonna take this off all the way around. Boom, and then the little negative right here, you just peel this because you don't need it anymore. And you can see we have two layers right here, one on top and one on the bottom, because we just overlaid them. So here's the finished product. Check this out, dude. This took me like 4 tries to do because the bottom side I had to wrap around the little stands right here. And it's not fun to try to cut everything perfectly. And this is like a 3D foil, so it's not flat. It was a total nightmare to do. It took me literally 4 hours, but I did it, and now I can probably tackle other wrap jobs. And here's the other wing that I had on here. This is a Saban Mugen style with their own gurney flap. So obviously this is like OE plus, and I mean, this is gonna create more downforce than that. The cool thing with this is the mounts drill exactly, or not drill, it mounts exactly where the OEM Type R is and the Mugen, so you don't really have to do anything special other than just bolt this on. So let's go.